Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python Advanced. Start by mastering core concepts like OOP, iterators, and generators. Then build small projects that force you to use decorators, context managers, and concurrency patterns. I will guide you through practical exercises, debugging tips, and reading techniques to understand libraries. Stick with consistent daily practice, review code from others, and gradually adopt testing and type hints to scale your skills. To advance, set up tools that make coding reliable and repeatable. Use virtual environments, linters, and formatters to keep code clean and consistent. Try profiling tools and debuggers to find slow spots and memory issues, then optimize using generators or vectorized libraries. Explore testing frameworks and CI pipelines so your work stays robust. I'll show how to pick the right library and tool for each problem and workflow. Consistent practice accelerates growth more than occasional deep dives. Schedule focused sessions for algorithms, projects, and code reviews to cover different skill areas. Contribute to open source or collaborate to see diverse styles and constraints. Adopt test-driven habits and type hints to reduce bugs and clarify intent. Celebrate small wins and iterate on weaker areas, and you will notice measurable improvements in both speed and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.